Now let us start the class number 5, payroll creation. Before payroll creation, we have to make some modifications in the defined salary function. Okay, Regus overtime rate is not yet adjusted, so we want to put the rate of overtime. So rate of overtime means total salary, basic salary divided by 30 divided by 8 into 1.25. That is the calculation for the overtime rate. Okay. Now 15.63 is coming, that Control Alt V. Then you can paste that here. Okay. Now Control A, save it. Next up, see, actually we want to also adjust the salary advance. So how the salary advance payment and salary advance recovery adjusting in the payroll, that we can see here. So we can make a voucher of salary advance. Okay, salary advance 500. Okay, we can put in Regu's name. Okay, now you can see in the window here different names are showing here, employees. So whoever you are giving the salary advance, you can put on that particular employee's name here. Okay, now being the advance paid, here we have to adjust the date because January 1st we are giving this advance. Control I, save it. Now we can make the payment voucher. For payroll voucher creation, we have two options. Control plus F4, you will get payroll voucher option, or you can also do Alt plus F7, then create a payroll voucher. That way also you can do it. Now we can auto fill the salary 1st January to 31st. Okay, Control I, save it. Now go ahead to the salary pay sheet. Now here pay sheet is not coming in an order. So what we require is you want to go through the configuration and the sorting method. We have to put employee number. Okay, that also you can put yes. Now you can see employee's name is appearing same as how we created in the Excel sheet. That is 1005 006 7 8 9 10, like that. The same order it is already came here. Now just we can check some salaries whether it is correct or not. Now here we can go ahead with the Regu salary. Okay, here see, here Regu's basic salary is showing 3000. Actually he worked only 25 days. You can see here 25 days only worked by Regu. So 2419 only will come, but here 3000 is coming. Why it is happening? This is a case study here, how it is happening, what is the problem. Actually this is a problem of the basic pay adjustment. Maybe we wrongly put the basic pay options, that's why it is coming here. So otherwise, because 25 days work means total basic salary should be reduced according to that 6 days, but that is not happen here. Also his salary advance is also not deducted from his total payment. So let's see how it will be work out. See, now what we require is we want to go to Alt, then pay head and take basic pay. Now here you can see calculation type of basic flat rate is showing. If you are giving the flat rate, the basic salary will be shown in the payroll as full amount without considering the absenteeism. Okay, that's why flat rate is putting, it will show on that way. So what we require is we want to put the calculation on attendance basis, then only the reduction will be effected in the payroll. So now let's go back once again and see what is happening. Display more reports. Display more reports. Now payroll pay sheet. Okay, see here what is the salary showing in Regus pay sheet. Now you can see here again basic salary showing 3000 for Raghu. 25 days only worked, means 6 days salary is not yet reduced from the basic pay. Why it is happening? Because because payroll already created. After that we made the modification. So if any modification is done after the payroll creation, it will not affect here. So what we require is we want to delete the payroll. Okay, again we want to create a new payroll voucher. So we will see that one, how it will be working out. This is a case study, I already told you. Okay, go to voucher, autofill. Autofill will be okay. Autofill, payroll autofill. Then now save it. Control A. Now next up, reports, pay sheet. Now you can see here Regu. Let's go. Now you can see Regu's basic salary is reduced to 2419. Means only 25 days salary is calculated by the software. So but here his advance deduction is not affected, not deducted from the payslip. Why? Because that is the point I want to discuss with you now. So how the salary deduction is adjusting in the payroll, that we will show you now. Okay, now take this salary creation voucher of Raghu. Go ahead and now see here everything come except salary advance. So what we require is you have to select here salary advance from the list. Select salary advance and here put 500. So 500 is credit is showing, means reduction. Now control A, save it. Now you can see here already salary advance is showing as a deduction from the in the pay slip. So his salary total payable is 3910. It is also equivalent to our Excel sheet workout. Okay, so net payable is 3190, but you know here total salary payable amount is 86,410, but here Excel sheet showing 86,210. Why? What happened? This traffic fine of 200 is not yet adjusted of Shashi. So what we will do, the same way how we adjusted the salary advance, we have to do that one. So for that one, go back to Shashi's payslip, click here, then you will get the payroll voucher, then select the salary details of Shashi. Yeah, go ahead. Paulo, then Raghu and Shashi. Go ahead. Okay. Now here now here we have to select the traffic fine. Okay, select traffic fine, put 200, control A, save it, and come back to payslip of Shashi. Now you can see here traffic fine 200 is showing as a deduction. So total payable amount is 7,500 minus 200 is equal to 7,300. So let's go back to the Excel sheet. Now see here Excel sheet also showing 7,300 and total salary payable is 86,210, and the Excel sheet also showing the same amount. Okay, now we can go back to the pay sheet. Now we can adjust the sorted method is employee name. Yes, now we can check by one. What is the salary amount showing? Gross salary amount showing. See here 57,419. Now okay, conveys what is showing here 7177. That is also showing here 7177. Now HRA same. Then overtime, staff welfare, telephone, everything showing according to the Excel sheet. Okay, now salary advance is showing 500, traffic fine is showing 200, total deduction is showing 700. Okay, net payable amount is 86,210. This is the way we are making the payroll voucher and salary sheet. So salary slip is ready. And now we can go back to the individual salary slip. How we will take the individual salary slip, we can go back. See, payroll reports, pay slip. We can put one example, Khalid. Okay, see, this is the way. If you require, you can also take a printout of this one. See, salary pay slip for January 2026. This is the way salary slip is creating. Payroll is creating and salary slip is generating. Okay, if you like the video, kindly subscribe, share, comment, and also click the bell button for getting the new notifications of my videos. Thank you for your cooperation. Once again, thank you. Now you can see also the attendance register, how it will work out.